no time for that.
Oh, if I could only lay my hands on that.
Where are you, honey?
Someday, when the weather is all nice and clear,
Right where you are.
I'm gonna knock your nose right around to your ear. You understand?
Open your mouth and close your eyes.
So you double-crossed me. Oh, bookkeeping.
I slave day and night for you. What do I get?
Why,
You stabbed me in the back. Me, the guy who made this place. Kill myself so you two chucklehead apes could get rich.
Well, 23 skidoo.
Mistake your Aunt Fanny.
It's all your fault.
Wait a minute.
Your mother wears suspenders.
Uh-huh.
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 Big Chief has took my William Tuggers. Oh, boy, she's all the fudge. Oh, I'm going back! Back!
Oh, boy, stop it.
Throw her a herring.
You didn't like our story.
A lack.
Beautiful. Very good. Can you play Over the Waves? Nobody's blaming you for your mother.
Oh, Disney. Yeah.
It can't be done, Mr. Kent. It can't be done.
Give me some pickles. You don't want any pickles.
Cats.
You ain't want pickles. You like pickles? Yeah. Pick 'em.
That's all I wanted to hear.
A very funny crack. I'm dying.
Whew, what a moment.
Aha!
Now I'm scared. Cut it out, will you? I'm supposed to be a tough guy.
Oh, you're a tough guy, are you? Who, me? No, I'm the kind of a guy that stays out of trouble.
I don't need anybody. Come on. Put that away or I'll jam it down your throat. Oh, now you watch this.
Now, look here, you can't go through life saying, so what?
Saying what?
So what?
What are you talking about?
I don't know, you started it.
And where the heck do you think you're going? Oh, excuse me. Oh, you big lug, she snarls. Now, wait a minute. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now, wait a minute. I have no record. Don't print that. Off the record. Get that through your thick copper nut. And that's for the record.
You'll be surprised.
Martin!
Well, if it ain't you.
Here, you bird. Everything all right? That's fine. Oh, never mind shaking hands. Just go. Dissolve. Fade out.
What me thought I was and what me thought I had. What me thought I was and me thought I had.